TNT gang was poppin'. Hey, it's your boy Tony B and
Taj Burnett.
Yeah, Taj Burnett, and today is his day. We're gonna teach him how to change an oil. Perfect. Oh boy, I can't even talk. We're gonna teach him how to change oil in the vehicle, man. We're gonna go ahead, go get the oil. I'm not gonna talk too much, man. It's hot out here. We might wait a little later on, but we had to go ahead and make this intro so we can go ahead and change the oil. We're gonna do it in a little blue up there. The easiest one to change the oil in and the least amount of oil. So let's go ahead and do it and just stop talking. Yeah. All right, let's go. Hey, look at here, y'all. I'm gonna hip y'all to the game. You know I'm always finessing. If you want to get some cheap oil. You stupid. How you say it? Oil?
Oil.
You smart.
Huh?
Oil.
Oil. Hey, you come to your local Walmart, boy. Oh, man, I'm tearing up stuff, boy. But hey, this is where you can get some cheap oil. Now, I'm not talking about the Walmart brand. I'm talking about regular brand. Let's go in here and check it out.
I want to get that one. Oh, my God. Because
Oh,
we normally use that.
You want the mobile one. That's the one we usually get, right?
Yeah.
And y'all can see. 2288.
This shouldn't cost that much.
It ain't bad, though. It's 2144. Or do you want to just get some regular?
I'll get regular.
Castrol.
I'll get regular.
Shoot, they ain't got no 5W30. They only got 10W30. We'll fool with the pens oil. When you're looking for an oil filter, you can use this book or you can look it up online. So let's go ahead and check it out. See, we got to the Nissan 2005. And what do we have? Is it a Central?
Stupid.
Yeah, we got the 1.8. And you go up here on the top and see what brand you gonna get. Shoot, we just gonna get Fram, y'all.
Fram?
Yep. G7317. Right here, baby.
3 weeks later.
All right, guys. Well, yeah, we back again. It's been what? Maybe two weeks since we filmed that last part of the video, Taj.
Yep.
Man, hey, we've been slacking, y'all. We had a whole video planned out, but you know, as y'all know, if y'all don't know, I get hurt my back. Sciatica.
Excuse me.
Man, and I went on to change the oil because Taj, he went to his grandma's house, so the whole video's messed up. But I'm gonna still give him you know, just a walkthrough of how to change your oil. I'm not gonna do it again because none of our cars need an oil change. Man, shut up with that honking that horn.
Yep.
But what's wrong with these folks? Because none of our cars need an oil change. Maybe this one, but we'll do it later on. But I'm gonna just walk through it and just let him know exactly how to change an oil in the car. Change an oil?
Stupid.
Come on, change the oil in the car. Come on, Tony, you tripping, man. But we're gonna go ahead and jack this up safely, and then I'm gonna show him exactly where to drain the oil, and then I'll show him where to fill it up at. All right, let's go ahead. Let's go. Push it down. Both hands, Touch. That boy is strong. Uh-oh. Be careful. Just keep pushing.
I won't want to do
You can. You better be strong. Push down. And wait. There you go. There you go.
it. Yeah.
There you go. Come on. Come on. There you go. Yeah. 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 Uh-oh. All right, Taj, now that we have the car jacked up, I'm gonna show you exactly where to take the oil out of the engine. We're gonna start by going underneath, and I'm gonna show you exactly where you can drain the oil. You know what oil is, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, all right, it's in that same container that we had over there that we bought at the store. And oil is very important for your car to run, all right? Okay?
Okay.
Man, you ain't paying no attention. Let's go. Let's get on here. All right, there goes the drain plug right there. Is it leaking?
Wow.
It might be leaking.
Yeah.
But here go the drain plug right here. Look, right here. This is what you put your wrench on. Put your wrench on here. Put your wrench on here and you turn it until the screw comes all the way out, and then the oil will come out and it'll be in the drain pan. All right? That easy. And after you drain your oil, you put that screw back in there, as you can see, up there. Mm-hmm. And then what do we do then?
Then we screw the thing.
Yep, screw it back on, and then what we do? We got to put some more oil in there, right?
Yeah.
It's just as easy as taking out oil and putting it back in. So we're going to go up top, and I'm going to show you exactly where you put in the oil, okay?
Okay.
All right. All right, can you guess where we need to put the oil in?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Let's see where if you can guess. Come on.
I'm guessing.
Point to where you think that we need to put the oil. Right there? No. What does it say on there? It says coolant. You don't want any coolant, oil and coolant. And talking about coolant, that joker look kind of low. Yeah, it's on the minimum.
Is
So
it right there?
Let's see. Where you point? No, that's your brake fluid. Even though it looks like oil, I need to change that. That need to be a video up coming soon. Look for oil like a little genie bottle.
Right here.
No, that's for the power steering.
Here.
No, you just pointed at everything. Look, doesn't that look like a windshield? Doesn't that look like that glass right there? Mm-hmm. It don't? Huh?
It does.
All right, we done guessing. The biggest cap on here you didn't even point to, Taj. This is it right here. Look. This is where you turn it. But you seem very interested today. I know you just want to get on that roadblock, but I'm gonna show you how to change your oil, son, so you don't have to worry about people messing up your car. This is where you put the oil in. You just unscrew it. You got the cap. Then you look in your book and see how much oil you need to put in your car, because every car is different. Then you get the oil, you get you a funnel, which I ain't gonna get a funnel, and then you just pour the oil back in there. Just that simple. Just that simple, buddy. Very easy.
I hope y'all subscribe.
Yeah, he wants y'all to subscribe, but he's not trying to have any kind of enthusiasm to make y'all want to see, make y'all want to subscribe. He just want to go play Roblox all day.
No!
Yes, you do. You said you want to make this video, so we going to make the video so you can know how to change this oil, son. Yeah. Now that we put the oil in, we have to check how much oil is in there, right?
All right.
All right. As y'all can see, I broke mine off.
Wow.
So, yeah, it's bootleg, y'all.
Wow.
Boot. But what you do, you pull it out.
That's long.
Yeah, it's long because it got to go at the bottom of the oil pan. All right. Now hold this. Hold the camera. All right. As you can see, look. It's oil. It's oil on the stick. And this is what showed you how much oil you have in your engine. As you can see, dang, y'all probably couldn't see it, but pretty much y'all can see the oil has been changed. Don't look bad. You know, it's pretty much, dang, it looked low. But let's wipe it off and see. Just that simple. Now that we checked the oil, hey, we ready to go, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. All right, guys, I know this video was a little bit everywhere, but hey, I promise y'all we're gonna get everything set up to go. And look at Taj, he just so ready to go in there and play Roblox. He couldn't even finish up the outro, y'all. But hey, hopefully you guys liked the video. Hopefully you got a laugh, because You know, we was out here acting crazy, but next video should be me painting the rest of this truck. As y'all can see, this is 2 weeks in the making. You know what I'm saying? Still shining. The hood has clear coat on it. This is the part that I wet sand and polished. You know, it's still looking pretty good. But pretty much next video, hopefully I can show you guys some more how to paint this thing, how I painted it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not perfect, like I said before in my other videos, but it's a lot of people that got their own opinions. But hey, it's all good. You know what I'm saying? We all have our own opinions. We all want to do things certain ways. So I'm not mad, you know what I'm saying? But hey, just do what you do and I'm gonna do what I do. All right? All right, guys, I hope you guys liked the video. Y'all take it easy. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. All right, peace.
Enjoy this moment and have fun with it. Aha.